Special thanks to this company who were nice enough to send me their USB 2-port fast charger. Not a lot around the box. Their logo there and there. Nothing on the top. Just the barcode on the bottom. And the back just has the model L-2P351 35-watt dual PD fast charger US. So let's open this up and take a look at it. It for that box. So we have a user's manual underneath, and then in this little piece of plastic we have the actual fast charger. Oh, look at that, very nice. So on the side you've got some grips when you go to plug it in or unplug it. That will be helpful. And then on the bottom, 2 USB ports, and this just flaps in and out. Other than that, I don't see any lights, anything like that. Let me plug it in and see. All right, and so this is 35 watts. So if you split this with a device plugged into each one, you're gonna get 15 watts of charging. If you're just using one or the other, you'll end up getting the full 35 watts. Now, if I plug this in, got no lights or anything. If I grab this cable, we get a light down here. And they're charging. No lights or anything like that on it. So you'll just plug your devices in and you'll be up and running. Again, special thanks to this company for sending me this 2-port fast charger to unbox and show you. And thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.